Our intent, as your intent is, we want to give them every opportunity. They've made a commitment. They're making an investment. How do we do everything possible to ensure their business works and their immigration standards are met? And if you working with lawyers like yourself or you working with incubators like us, what is the intent? The intent is to make it work for them. So the PR is one thing, but our focus entirely on their business.
Exactly. And to come back on what you said about these tools are not only usable only for the sake of the startup visa program, but if I look at the immigration requirements, when I said that the letter of support is just one step in the entire process, once you submit the permanent residency application, you have to show active activities on your business. Mm-hmm. It's not just, well, now we submitted the permanent residency application, so let's wait 2.5 years until suddenly, magically, permanent residency comes to my door. Immigration wants to see ongoing progress. So there is nothing in the law that says exactly what those steps are, but through practice, we can tell you that they will look at, well, have you done anything with regards to business development? Is there any marketing? Do you have any social media platforms? Have you had any letters of intents from potential clients, suppliers, distributors? Have you got any licensing if you need specific licenses in Canada? And so forth. And we also look at the reports, the monthly reports that the startup co-founders have with the incubators at the end of each month that trace their progress. That's something that we really emphasize on during our consultation with the startup founders, because I think this is not very well explained or understood. This awareness that this is great to have a letter of support, but that's not the end of the process at all. That's, as you mentioned, just the beginning. Immigration at any time during the processing of a permanent residency file can come and ask you additional questions or additional documents, such as the ones that I just mentioned right now.